Okay, so from here, well, actually, most of you should know how to print from your own printer, right? So basically, the rule of thumb that we use at Mount Sac is that we don't go directly from the software to the printer. One reason being that if you have certain layers hidden or certain layers turned off or something and you didn't notice, you know, it won't come out. And then, so you might have lines and things missing or extra lines that are there that shows up when you don't want it to. If you print it to a PDF, it's a WYSIWYG. You know what you're getting. You see what you get, right? So you see what you see is what you get, and you know exactly what you're going to print out. That helped when we were in school because, you know, every time you hit the actual print button, it's going to charge you 50 cents or 45 cents or whatever it was, or 10 cents or 15 cents. But anyways, it would have charged you. At your home, I guess it doesn't really matter. But anyways, for those of you who don't have a printer, you are going to take these files that you make and then put it onto a jump drive or email it to FedEx or Staples or wherever you want to get your you know, blueprint, what's that place called? Some blueprint service places, printing service places.
Boomerang blueprint?
Boomerang, right. So just take this PDF and get it onto a jump drive and give it to the clerk at the print press, and they'll print it all out for you. Okay. But anyways, for what we're going to do is, for those of you who have printers, we're just going to go to print and then select your printer. Okay. And then it's not going to be fit. It's not going to be shrink to oversize. It's not going to be custom scale because we already scaled this PDF is already to scale. It's actual size. So select actual size, and in the preview it should show actual size. Basically, this only shows 8.5 by 11 because this crappy printer, that $50 printer that I bought, only has the 8.5 by 11. Certain printers have, you know, other options, like you could print multiple sizes of things. But anyways, for my printer, it's I did find out we could print both sides on my printer, which is cool. But anyways, we'll do an auto rotation for my printer. I don't know if you have it for yours, but is it portrait, landscape? As long as it shows up in the preview as such, it should be okay. There are other things such as paper setup. If you have it, you might select the size of paper there, if you have that option. If you have the portrait or landscape, you might have to set that up there. Advanced, you might be able to set up the colors as a black and white or whatever. So that, you know, it's hard to teach this part because I don't know what printer that you have and I don't know what setting that you will have on there, what choices that you'll have. But usually at school we print to a grayscale black and white, so we know that it's black and white. And that way when you print out, there's no question. And then just hit print and it will come out as a printed image. So for all of our, I'm not going to hit print because I don't want to waste the paper stuff, but anyways, for every sheet that you make, which is 8.5 by 11, you're going to print them out at the hairline, line weight, and then we're going to do the line weight exercise with this thing. So homework, I guess, would be to get this all done and print it out and have the physical paper with you. You might even make 2 prints of each just in case you mess up. Okay, and it's okay to mess up too, because this is where we're doing this thing. But the one that we're going to turn in, you got to try to make it as perfect as possible. All right. So with that, I think that's it. I think that would be it. So we can stop the recording and take questions if we do